Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be talking about streaming for both networking and collaborations. And live streaming is basically an excellent way to meet other influencers in your niche. It gives you the opportunity to talk to people at the very minimum about streaming with you. And when you broadcast with other influencers, some of their influence becomes yours by default. This has been the case with famous personalities such as Oprah Winfrey, depending on where you live in the world, or someone like Larry King. These are people who have built their entire life on allowing influencers to become part of their lives and sharing that with other people. And you can use the very same concept in your business. Now, you can attend live events and niche events. And what this does is this reduces the randomness of some of your requests for collaboration. When you're at some place that your influencer or the person that you're looking to talk to, they're at an event and it's the very same thing that you are basically sharing an interest in, well, that means then that you're not just someone on social media asking them for an interview. You're not just someone asking them for their opinion. You are someone who has indicated that you're serious about the same things they are. Now, when you start looking for people to collaborate with, find those people or interview those people who have real results. Find those people who have real influence, so people listen to them. Find those people who have a real following. So in other words, you know that they have people who come to their events, who come to their streams, who are on their email list. Find people who already have demonstrated that they get people to follow them, because again, you want to be able to talk to people who are going to make it worth your while to have them in your stream. And one good indication of that are these are people who already have publications. They tend to have the kind of following. They tend to be the kind of people that will be good conversation for your stream. One thing that you can do to network with people is to host a summit on a particular topic or set of topics. You will then be bringing in expert panels. One of the best platforms to do that, of course, is Blab, to be able to bring in groups and to have expert discussions. Being able to do this series of streams and have this summit, again, excellent way of being able to leverage streaming so that you can then communicate real solid information to people who are watching. You want to leverage the following of the people that are being interviewed, of course, and you do that by asking them to make sure that they actually do everything they can to promote your stream, that they promote the stream they're going to be on, that they actually go through the trouble of making it available to the people that follow them after the stream. Leverage the following of the people who are being interviewed by you. And then, of course, collaborate across streams. In other words, collaborate with people or people who are inside of your platform. Collaborate with people who are in your niche. Collaborate with people who maybe are not on your platform. Maybe you're on Meerkat and they're on Periscope. Well, one of the ways you leverage that platform is you would bring them over to yours and you go over to theirs. So do everything you can to network with collaborators and use live streaming as a way for them to be able to see your audience and you to be able to see theirs. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.